going to make little mini s'mores pies. So what we did is we went out and we got little graham cracker crusts. They're already ready. You're gonna need yourself some chocolate bars, marshmallows. I don't think it matters what size you want. And then I'm thinking of putting a dollop of this on top. So this is how we did it one time. We didn't use that hazelnut, but this is how we did it the last time. Oh, and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so. Oh, and you're gonna need an oven dish. Okay, Boo Boo, can you open that? Do you need help? Oh. Okay, Hannah, can you open those two and put them in there? You can just leave that. Who knows? And who cares? Probably. Okay, so this is how I kind of divided the last time. Okay, Haley, what do we got? We got 6 of these, so we're gonna need 6 candy bars. So Haley, can you open a couple?
I want to eat them.
No. Okay, and what you do is you break them in half.
Break them.
And then you just put them, just leave it alone. And then you just put them on the bottom of that there, the
so half.
Yep, break them in half. Cool. No, you just have a piece of gum. Kind of want to put them on the bottom, not on the sides, just so it kind of melts all on the bottom. Can you throw your trash away? Okay. And then you take a marshmallow. These are all stuck together, but that's okay. And you put that in one of those. Hannah, do you want to put a blob onto one of these? Just put the whole thing in there, Haley. Don't be trying to steal one. Put them on top there. They lay flat. As flat as can be. Oh, that's why you can wash your hands when we're done.
Yeah. Sticky.
Come on, Boo-Boo. What's wrong with you? Don't throw that thing in the trash. Okay, one more. Hannah, will you get me like a butter knife out of the drawer? Stop. Okay. Can you open up the Nutella?
The Nutella. Oh, okay.
Or Kirkland brand? Alright, let's see.
Oh, that's like...
It's alright, we mix it and it's fine.
Really jelly.
So this is what I was thinking. Oh, you get back over here.
Where's the bunny?
No, that's not good for wizard
with
bunnies.
us. Wake up, babe. Come here. Come here. Come here, Poops.
I think it would be good if you did like mini peanut butter Reese's cups on the bottom, and then maybe marshmallow, and then Nutella on top. That sounds delicious too. Oh, ooh, that one's gonna have a lot.
Or you can try our recipe.
Yeah, they could try this, but I'm just trying to give out other options.
Okay.
Oh. Get back over here. Okay, and then once you do this, you put it in the oven. I did kind of mine in like, I think it was like 4-minute increments, because, I mean, each oven's going to be a little different. You got electrical, gas. I have a gas oven, and I did it in 4-minute increments, and then I kind of checked, and once your marshmallows are kind of melty, fluffy, and brown, then you kind of notice that it's done.
Small kitchen is a happy kitchen.
That's right. So, my oven's not even there to 375, but when it gets there, I'm going to stick them in there, and then I'll show you how this, like a weight, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll set the timer again, and so hopefully these will be as good as when we did it the first time. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, I set it for about 6 minutes. And why aren't you zooming? And, uh-oh, it's oozing over one way. So, you get back over there. My oven doesn't stay up. I have to hold it. You get back. Okay, so they're not done just quite yet. They're getting there. But we're going to give about a few more minutes. I'll put 4 more minutes on here. Okay, so this is after another 4 minutes. And, you know, it might be... Wow! I mean, they look pretty good. A little brown on the top there. That one's oozing. Alright. Well, I think that's it. So we'll turn this off. We'll let them cool off. And then when my kids are done playing hide and go seek and ate dinner, we'll give them a try. Okay, we got our treats picked out. We made them early this morning, so they're a little flat. That's mine. There's Hannah's. Okay, you gotta take it out of the foil thing, boo boo.
I don't know how to.
Oh, okay.
What is that? Mom's doing it. Oh, that's how you do it. I'm afraid I'm gonna rip this one. It's okay if you rip that.
Yeah, you can rip the foil.
No, I meant like that, the crust.
There you go.
Can I eat it?
Yep.
Can I dig in?
Yep.
What's it taste like?
I'm good.
Is
amazing. Look.
Oh, you got it all over your face already. Oh my god, it's all over your teeth. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try mine.
Where's Jeremy heading
It's
now?
facing you, Hannah.
Hi.
Here we go.
Really?
Yum. That's a big bite.
Mm.
You go to work tomorrow, huh?
I'm taking itty bitty
He
bites.
doesn't have any work when you're on?
Mm.
Delicious.
I think the Nutella. Oh, it's very gooey. I think the Nutella's pretty good.
Mhm.
Oh my God, Haley. You're wearing it. Hey, eat over the plate. You're like not even. Put the plate. Alright, so what do you think? You recommend making it for people?
Not for people.
Charlie.
They make it themselves. And then go shoot.
Oh my. Okay, what are people supposed to do?
I forget.
Oh my gosh, Haley, do you know what people are supposed to do?
Oh yeah. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and hit the notification button to notify you
Where were you?
when we make new videos.
Right.
Okay. I was gonna say that, Hannah.
You want to say it?
Yeah.
Say it.
So what is it again?
Oh my God. Oh my God, Haley, your teeth and face.
Too complicated.
Subscribe, hit the bell button, and
Like.
and notifications and all that. I think. I think you're too busy eating. We'll just leave where Hannah say it. Oh my God. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Alright, well thanks for watching and we'll see you guys on the next one. What do you say? Bye.
Bye.